Hey everybody, I'm gonna make some more positivity passport pages in my July little notebook. So far, if you've watched the first process video, then you saw this page and this page come to life. I did not video this one, but this one was a little bit more eclectic, I would say, just because I've decided to kind of go monochromatic. And this one I threw in all the colors because I was celebrating a new piece, a dresser in my scrapbook space. So that's what I have so far, and I am gonna make a few more pages. I have ice cream. I think I'm just gonna make a list right here. We got our little pool for the backyard, and I'm gonna document a new salad I made, and then making Barbie furniture. Yep, Barbie furniture. Okay, and I also tried something different. I got out a bunch of stamps that I thought might work, and then I also have my sticker paper that I can punch different shapes out of, and I'm excited to put some more pages together. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Sabrina, and thank you for being here. Here I go. I'm going to start off by punching some shapes out of my sticker paper, and then I will begin to build my two spreads. So for this pool selfie of myself and my family, I'm going to put the circles on the side and then underneath. And I'm trying to make sure that when I punch the circle that I get more of that blue color that I want to show through. And that way it'll complement and coordinate with the blue in the pool. So I'm lifting up the photo. I probably should have put down the circles first because, as you can see, I'm having a little bit of trouble placing the circles. So I should have probably done the circles first and then the photo, but that's okay. I'm just lifting up things, lifting up the photo, and then I can add some more adhesive to make sure the photo is stuck down. I'm also going to be able to use some green half circles, I think one big one and one smaller one on the left-hand side, and then I'm just going to use the stamps as journal prompts. I'm also going to stamp in the top corners a different phrase. For the one on the right, I'm doing water fight, and then on the left, I will do a different one. I think what I'm cutting out right now is thankful for my people, and I will use that as a half circle. That's kind of where my idea for half circles came from, because I knew that I wanted to use that shape use that stamp, and it had that half circle shape in it. I am also going to add real life. I fussy cut it out, and then I will just use, like I said, the stamps as prompts. I start off stamping essential, or this is essential, but then I decide that I don't want that as the starting stamp. I want that scale that says today was, and then there's a scale. So I'm going to go ahead and stamp that on the white paper, and then I will just fussy cut that out. I will also stamp this is essential, and I will put that in a different spot. So I have 4 different journaling prompts to help me with my journaling and to kind of tell the story of this day. So I have the scale, this is essential. I was talking about my workout, and then I also included a funny story of my daughter being fascinated by all things nature, and today it was a grasshopper. While I was outside working out, that's what she did to entertain herself, studying a grasshopper. And then summertime, I just put our pool arrived, so that was really exciting. Now we can have somewhere to go swimming because the community pool did not open this summer, obviously. I am going to go ahead and stamp real life several times, and then I will get out my date stamp and I will add the date for both of these spreads and also how I feel. And then I will move on to the next spread. So I'm really enjoying the monochromatic overall layout, and I just love this notebook. It is so special. Now I am moving on to documenting a new recipe that I tried, and it is some broccoli salad. I always just buy it because I guess it's a way to treat myself instead of having to make it myself. But obviously, I've discovered that it is not that hard to make on my own. So I've been making it on my own, and I was able to use the chef. I don't know what the name of the stamp set is, but I'll leave a link. The chef cooking themed stamp set, and I stamped and fussy cut. Oh my gosh, this was amazing. I also added some stars for a rating and then just used a pen to color it in. And then in the bottom left, you saw that I had stamped lunch a few times. I am using some stars, obviously, because I made a new recipe, and I used the rating star stamp as well. For the page on the right, I'm doing the same format with the different stamps as my prompts and jumping off points. The only thing is I didn't realize that I had just used real life as my header kind of for this spread, so I should have probably changed that. For this one, I'm using the 29 prompts, and I started with currently making, so I'm just putting the project that I was working on, and then I think the next one I picked was 5 things from today, so I'm just jotting down those 5 things. And I love that. It's just so simple, just 5 things, and then that's it. And it's, you know, you don't have to go into any more detail, just the 5 things. And then after this spread, I will be nearly done with these 2 spreads. Just adding the date, and then I am done with all these spreads. Okay, so you saw this one come together and this one come together. And I have to say, I actually did change the ending video, and I updated it so that way I could say thank you for sticking with me on this project. I hope you are still enjoying seeing these pages come together. If I had more time, I'd probably do these all year long, but I just love these pages. I love putting them together, and I really wanted to finish this series and showing you all the pages that I have in here. So once again, thanks for sticking with this project that I have. I would appreciate a thumbs up or a subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day.